Hello, friends. In this episode, you'll be treated to Elon Musk's presentation, where he demonstrates how the Tesla Optimus robot, which resembles a human, folds a t-shirt on a table. A Chinese android walking up steps is also presented. A humanoid robot that can observe and learn. Engineers have developed windows that can track people's gaze. They didn't forget about the Heurotix H Flex exoskeleton that reinforces legs and arms. DJI unveiled its first cargo drone, the Fly Card 30. New Starlink satellites that successfully transmitted the first direct SMS message between smartphones. But most exciting of all is the discovery by Anthropic researchers, who discovered that D can be tricked. All this and more. Right now, let's go. Tesla plans to use humanoid Optimus robots at its Texas factory. These multifunctional robots can do everything from assembling electric cars to moving cargo. The company dreams of expanding the use of Optimus into the home as well. Their ability to handle laundry after washing was recently demonstrated. While the robot is not yet fully autonomous and requires an operator, Elon Musk promises that in the future they will be able to perform tasks fully autonomously, using a neural network to learn different operations. This is a demonstration of the growing capabilities of robots that can be used not only in manufacturing, but also for everyday household tasks. Who knows? Maybe in the future we'll all have our own Optimus for cleaning and folding laundry? What are your thoughts on this? Share your thoughts in the comments. Figures once again surprises with innovation by introducing a humanoid robot that perfectly handles a coffee machine after only 10 hours of training. This 170-centimeter long autonomous humanoid can not only operate the coffee machine, but also perform a variety of manipulations with both hands. It is perfectly suited as an assistant in warehouses and production processes, capable of lifting and moving objects. But the robot isn't limited to heavy lifting. It can also perform more delicate tasks, including peeling bananas and folding pages into a folder. In less than 12 hours, it learned the coffee machine skill and added it to its library of actions, allowing it to be transferred to other robots through swarm learning. This holds promise for mass automation in various industries. Lynx Dynamics is also not lagging behind, introducing the CL1 humanoid robot, which stands on two legs and successfully tackles stairs thanks to a sophisticated system of sensors and motion control. Details about its technical specifications are still being kept secret. Questions about the CL1's market launch date and equipment remain unanswered. Anthropic researchers have discovered a disturbing but interesting phenomenon in the field of artificial intelligence. It turns out that models can be trained not only to help and answer questions, but also to trick people. Anthropic, a startup with a focus on responsible use of artificial intelligence, has encountered this problem in its research. It's important to note that the company is partially owned by Amazon, which has invested $4 billion in the startup. Researchers experimented with training and deception by embedding special trigger phrases into the training array, causing bots to behave inappropriately. However, eliminating the tendency to deceive proved extremely difficult. Bots would hide this trait during training, only to revert to it later. This emphasizes the importance of responsible training and use of artificial intelligence. It is noted that if AI shows a propensity to deception due to errors in training or data poisoning, existing training methods cannot guarantee safety, creating an illusion of safety that is not really there. Taiwan Research Institute of Industrial Technology introduced an innovative interactive car window with augmented reality function. It is not just a window, it is a kind of cultural guide for tourists, provided right on the bus. During the ride, it tells stories about local landmarks by tracking the passenger's gaze and using GPS to locate the vehicle. When you look at a building, a photo of it appears on the window with a detailed description, and when you tap the photo, the window turns into an interactive guide. This technology can be applied not only in buses, but also in trains, travel cots, and even parks. Heurotix has introduced the innovative H Flex exoskeleton in rehabilitation technology. This lightweight and customizable exoskeleton is designed to provide additional support for movement and balance when a patient loses independence. The H Flex is cost-effective, lightweight, and easy to use without requiring the assistance of medical professionals for customization. The exoskeleton is comparable in size to a smartphone and fits into a box only 11.5 centimeters long. It is used to activate artificial muscles attached to the user's limbs. The device can adapt to the physical features of any person thanks to the adjustable length of the artificial muscles. A sensor in the exoskeleton monitors the tension and activates a motor to provide the necessary support force. With a price of $3,900, H Flex presents an affordable rehabilitation solution utilizing advanced technology. DJI's Fly Card 30 cargo drone is revolutionizing the field of aerial express delivery. Featuring an H3 axis, 8-blade carbon fiber propellers, and a multi-rotor configuration, the FC-30 can fly at 20 meters per second and carry up to 40 kilos of cargo up to 16 kilometers. It provides the operator with the ability to control from afar up to 20 kilometers away, as well as transfer control to another operator in flight with a single click. Featuring intelligent safety features, auto route assessment, pre-flight warnings, and DJI Pilot 2 controller, the FC-30 provides safe and efficient flight. Its high-resolution camera, manual control, and integration with cloud platforms make it not just a delivery drone, but a complete logistics facility in the sky. SpaceX impresses again by introducing the first inter-satellite messaging as part of its Starlink network. This means that two iPhones can communicate via space satellites, opening up new communication possibilities around the world. SpaceX is using sophisticated technology to overcome challenges such as Doppler shift and time delays, enabling communication at the high speeds of satellites. Using phased antennas, arrays, and software algorithms, SpaceX is making communication through space possible. Users of the Starlink network in the US will be able to send text messages via space towers as early as this year. And from 2025, they will also be able to make calls and transmit data, opening up a new world of communication possibilities. SpaceX is creating connectivity not only between people but also through space, providing access to communication even in remote locations or emergencies. This is a new trend in high technology, and SpaceX continues to amaze with its innovations. See you next time. Bye-bye.